most interesting body to investigate for clues to our organic origin, Titan, Saturn's largest moon.
Titan is one of the most exciting places in the solar system and has been dreadfully underrated.
Titan is much more like a planet than any other satellite you can think of. It has a very dense atmosphere. It's got clouds. It probably has weather. There might be pools of liquid on or near the surface.
The liquid is not water, which is frozen stiff on the surface, but it's methane.
It's as big across as the U.S. It's one of the biggest satellites in the solar system. If in fact it had been in orbit around the sun, we would have called it a planet because it's about the same size as Mercury.
We found something the size of Australia, and this so-called continent was very bright, leading some of us to think that maybe it had to do with icy hills or something that has a high reflectance, maybe water ice. You see, the surface of Titan is so cold that water ice takes on the strength of granite, and you can actually build mountains out of water in the ice form.
The atmosphere has a rich and complex organic chemistry going on, so in some ways it may be a snapshot of what the early Earth was like.
The presence of molecular nitrogen, the presence of organic matter, the lack of oxygen, and its atmospheric density, or pressure, which is about 50% greater than it is here on Earth. In those aspects, it very much resembles the atmosphere that scientists believe existed here on the Earth prior to the emergence of life.
The only thing that it doesn't have going for it is it's very cold. It's 95 degrees above absolute zero at the surface, whereas in this room it's 300 degrees above absolute zero.
So here we might have a world much like Earth, but where we have methane cycling